Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to remove people from an image on Canva. So let's assume you have a picture that you want to remove some people from. Let me see if I can see an image where I would love to remove, where there are more people that I can remove, just one or two. All you have to do is to, okay, you know what, yes, I have this picture here. Let me select a new image. I can select this particular picture. Good. I can expand it. Now let's assume I actually want to remove one of the images here. All I have to do is to click on it, then select edit, then go to the magic grab AI tool here, click on it, then wait for the image to load, and then select the particular image I want. Let's say I want to remove the woman or the lady or the man. I can select anyone we can see. So then let me remove the man and click on grab. So once I clicked on grab, I will be able to isolate him from the rest of the image you can see here. So we can actually replace this image with another image, and we will have a very unique picture. So this is how to remove people or edit people out of a picture on Canva. If this video has been of help to you, please let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more contents like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys.